I want to lead you through quickly how to create an article within the portal. Any full member can create a new article, shows up on the home page and actually gets archived. These articles can also be used on your personal website. In fact, if you create an article, it will show up there automatically, as well as being used by other members on their websites. So let's go ahead. First of all, we need to log in. Now, the easiest way to get to the article section is on the main page where you see an article. And we've got a couple different ones here. We've got the featured articles and the standard ones. Just click on the header on the title for that featured article. And that will bring you into that specific article where you can actually read the whole thing. The important part here is at the top, you have some menu options. You can look at all the current articles that are available, archives, which this shows you a list of all of the different articles that have been posted by month, and then by category and by user. You can also search for articles. One thing that you want to do, and this is what we're going to lead you through now, is how to create an article. So let's click on create an article. And the first thing we want to do is we want to give it a title. So we're going to put in 2009 federal tax law changes. It just so happens that I have created a document in Microsoft Word where I've already put all the text in, so you don't have to watch that. By the way, this is a good idea to go ahead and do your article offline. That way you can save it and all that good stuff, and you don't have to worry about losing your internet connection or your session timing out on the server and that good stuff. So usually I just create these in Microsoft Word, and then what I'll do is I'll just copy and paste them. So Control Shift End highlights everything, and then I just right click and do copy. All right. There's actually a great little feature in here, this paste from Word, this button. And this sort of strips out all of the standard Microsoft formatting. We're going to remove all the styles, ignore font face definitions. We're going to right click and then click paste. So this is going to paste all of our text from Microsoft Word in here. So a real simple way to get this over here. And then click OK. And you'll notice the formatting is not exactly what I want. So I'm going to go back through my little text box here and clean some things up. Whoops. That's fine there. I'm going to put some paragraph breaks in here. Alright, so I've gone ahead and cleaned up some of this a little bit, and really just putting some page or some paragraph breaks and that type of thing. And then once you've done this, the next thing you want to do is select a category. I'm going to put this in the general business category. You can put tags on it, so I can put in taxes and taxes, and that's pretty much all I'm going to do. This is also a way that we can relate these different articles together. Secure means that you can only see it in the portal and you're not going to be able to see it on your public website. The publishing date is a great feature in case you want to actually make this, if you don't want to publish it today, but you want to post it up so that it comes out on a particular date, you can do that. You can also post a date that it expires. So if you don't want to see it after a particular date, you can do that as well. At this point, we're going to press the Publish button, and we now have created a new article. And that's pretty much it. That's really all that you need to do. You'll notice that this is on the Start page, and it starts out, it's not in the Featured Articles section, but it is in the main articles down here. So you'll see the article information, and then read the rest of this article, which takes you to the full article. The full article will show up on your member website on that articles page. that's pretty much it. That's all it takes to create an article. There are some, of course, great things that you can do with these afterwards and publishing them to your personal website, as well as getting feedback and making connections with other people in here. But stay tuned for the rest of the series on creating new content and using that content to market yourself and the network. Have a great day.